Welcome to the fall car diffuser vlog. I can't wait. When I posted this video here, detailing like my tips and tricks and how to actually make car diffusers and why it's a great idea to add them to your line, you guys absolutely loved that video. I've never gotten that many views on a video that quickly before, so thank you very much for watching. While I'm wearing a different shirt than I was the last clip, it is actually still the same day. I filmed that intro earlier this morning, and then so many things have happened since then. So outfit change, no worries. We still have the same task at hand. We need to make these fall car diffusers. Now, if you watched that other video, you'll know your car diffusers take about 2 weeks, 14-ish days to cure, which means the fragrance oil and the diffuser base that you use have chemically compounded together and created a new substance. So we need to get on the road making these so they are ready for all of our upcoming happenings. I got this box in from Sales Supplies Plus. I mean, I ordered it. I knew it was coming. I paid for it with my own money. So I knew that it was coming. Inside are the ingredients that I need for a brand new product. I'm really excited about it. Well, it's wrapped up, so. Okay. Interesting. Okay, here is what the component looks like, the blank component. And here's with the twist on lid. That's nice and convenient. What I want you to do in the comments below is take a guess. What product do you think we are going to be making in this component here? Anyone who guesses the correct product will get one sent to them for free once they launch. Okay, so again, all you have to do is guess what you think we are making with this component here, and it holds 2 ounces. I'll be honest, it's bigger than I thought it was going to be, but fine. The only hint I'm going to give is one of the ingredients that we need is beeswax. So I got some. Back to our diffusers. Let's go ahead and prepare everything. I'm just going to take them out of the bag, separate the lids, the little stoppers, etc. And then we will check in and talk fragrance oils.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds.
Okay, so everything is set up and ready to go. I had a hard time with these, choosing the fragrances. I only plan on doing one run of fall diffusers anyway, and it's gonna be like what's in this video. I don't want to get stuck with a bunch of fall stuff. So I have vanilla pumpkin marshmallow from Midwest. This one smells very good. So that will hit like the pumpkin crowd. Then I have warm flannel. This one is also from Midwest. I've tried several before. I do think that it smells so good. So this is supposed to be a dupe for Bath and Body Works. Oops. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Bath and Body Works flannel. I do think that the Brambleberry flannel is closer to the Bath and Body Works flannel, but I actually really like the smell of this one. So just keep that in mind. Different dupe fragrances will smell different from different suppliers. This one smells very, very good. And I do think it smells similar, but if you're looking for spot on, I would go with the Brambleberry one. I'm using this one. I really like this one. Then I wasn't sure about mango and coconut milk because I love the fragrance. Don't get me wrong. I've never ordered it before. This was the first time I had ordered it and I really enjoy it. But I think I might save it because it's not fall, if that makes sense. And I might, let me think for a second. Obviously, I'm going to do the sweater weather. Always smells great. This one's from Northwood. This one here from FragranceBuddy.com. This one is the greatest of all time. I have purchased from almost every supplier. And if you watched my fall candle pouring video, I already went into like a whole thing. So you can hear that entire like spiel on that video. But I'm gonna finish off this bottle here. Then I'm gonna do the bourbon, vanilla, and cinnamon from Dupe. It smells so good. Gosh, that really, really smells so good. And maybe what I'll do is Moonlight from Dupe. Let me think. Oh, that smells good. Yikes, nothing like seeing UPS and Amazon coming down your driveway at the same time. Well, all right, I'm gonna put them all up here. Normally what I like to do when I can't decide is I put like the ones I know for sure, I start there. And then as I'm working, I keep thinking about the ones that I can't decide on. And normally by then, you know, by the time I get to the ones that I'm unsure about, normally by then I have my answer like ready for me. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just gonna set cashmere sugar, apple cider snickerdoodle, mango coconut milk, and toasted sugar up here, and we'll see which ones we end up with. Now all we have left to do is start making.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
Everything is ready to be labeled, and then we'll be ready for retail. As we talked about in that video where I went over how to make your diffusers, some of them did not work out. The seal will not fit. The mouth of the glass is too wide for the stopper, which means we can't sell those. We talked about this. I did anticipate it. Oh, it was 2 this time. I don't know what I'm going to do. I probably need to start ordering like in larger quantities to find a better, more stable source of getting the vessels. I'm just not sure if I want to go down that road. I like making them, but they're not like my favorite product to make. But people really love them. So as you know, sometimes you go with what you want and sometimes you go with your customer demand. A healthy balance is always a good thing. So 2 we won't be able to use. What I'm going to do is make those 2. I usually make them for myself. I put them in like a separate area so I know that they are not able to be sold. And then like they're empty right now. And then when I'm ready for one, I'll go ahead and make one and then I'll just use it for myself. It's kind of really the only thing we can do. So at the beginning of the video, I talked about wanting to update the packaging for these, and here's what I came up with. So I had these cards, which we did talk about. I'm going to put the little template for this on my Patreon, so you can check that out over there. And then I also have like a candle wick one, so I'm going to go ahead and put my candle, like my wooden wick candle one. I'll go ahead and put that template over there as well. So both of those will be available on my Patreon if you're looking for inserts for your products. What I'm going to do is take this insert and make it into the product label. So I took the cards that I already had, or I'm taking the cards that I already have. Then I printed the fragrances on these clear labels from Online Labels. I have them from a different project that I've decided not to move forward with at this time. So I'm just using labels that I already had. You probably already have labels that you aren't using. That's a really great place to go. This is inkjet label paper and I have a laser. So I'm hoping like this one tiny guy over in the corner, see him right there? Like that's kind of messed up, but I have enough of those I don't need to reprint. So hopefully, yeah, it should be fine. It's coming off just like the tiniest bit, but you can't even tell on the paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and move forward with this. People are just gonna throw the tag away anyway. So let's cut these down to size and we'll get everything all finished up. Don't laugh at my 3-hole puncher. That's all I have. Let's do it.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my
product. They look so cute. And then they all have their little name tag on the back. I don't know if this would be like a permanent packaging solution for me. Again, still on the fence about whether or not I'm going to continue to offer them. They do well like wholesale wise, and I don't know. I don't want to rehash that again, but I do think that this will be a good way to use the cards that I already have and the labels that I already have. So I'm going to continue to label them this way. The only thing I'm not sure about it actually is like the scratch and sniff part, which I did talk about in that other video as well. I don't know how I'm going to make like a smell part for this. I guess I could just do it the same way, and then maybe I'll put it on like the bottom of the tag. But I'm not going to do that right now because I have actually a 9-bar soap order that I need to package and ship, so I can get that out today. So for now, I'm going to hang these somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to hang them yet, but I'm going to hang them somewhere so they can cure, and then they'll be ready for me to take to the market. Down in the comments below, I need to know, where are you getting your card diffuser vessels from? And I will see you next week. Off the top of my head, I can't remember exactly what next week's video is. I can't remember, but it'll probably be a good one, especially if you like fall products and product making. And again, if you're looking for a template that you can use with your card diffusers, it would be an editable in Canva design. Sorry that I recorded that too many times, where you can make your own care cards for card diffusers and candles. Those will be over in my Patreon, which is also linked in the description. Thank you so much if you choose to support me, if it's liking this video or joining one of my Patreon tiers. I really do appreciate that. And I will see you next week.